Hello, in this recording, we're going to look at another great enhancement as part of the second half 2024 release of SAP SuccessFactors for composition, which is the ability to export our comp statements in a way that it can be re-imported into another environment without losing the ability to edit them in the UI. So what do we mean by that? Well, previously, when we generated, for example, let's say this as a dev environment, and we wanted to take the design that we created using the UI of that is offered by SuccessFactors, and we wanted to migrate this to the production environment or pre-production environment. We would basically have to recreate it. We couldn't. We couldn't really take the design as it is right now and migrate it to the environment. We had to do it with copy paste. Usually we'd take two browsers and we'd rebuild the same exact statement, which was pretty time consuming, especially when there were different templates, different statement templates, different languages. Now I feel like over the past two releases with the support of multiple languages for one statement, one standard statement within the same statement, plus this possibility we're now at a level which is amazing where we can have just one that's translated into different languages and we can export it easily. Before that, before the last two releases, we basically had to create one statement template for each language we wanted to get a statement created in. And then once we wanted to migrate it to a different environment, we had to manually do it and recreate it. So now we can have multiple language support and we can go here, click on export. And if we select XML, then we get a file that we can then re-import into the new environment. One thing that needs to be said though is in the new environment we need to have the exact same fields in the main template that we're referring to in our statement template, otherwise we might have issues. But this is a really great enhancement, and I really feel like the standard statement are now at a level of are really perfected in the sense that we can have multiple languages support, we can easily export them and re-import them in an environment, and that's a session by one of my colleagues in the upcoming Success Connect in a few days from now. There's a possibility to create really good looking statements with also one of the a new enhancement from earlier this year from the first half 2024 release where we can basically insert tables using the standard editor and make the statement look exactly the way we would like it to look. So yeah, great improvements in this field over the past two releases. Thank you.